Basic rules of multiplication of algebraic expression. In multiplication of algebraic expression, before taking up the product of algebraic expressions, let us look at two simple rules. Basic rules of multiplication of algebraic expressions. The product of two factors which like signs is positive, and the product of two factors with unlike signs is negative. For example, plus 5 into plus 2 is equals to 5 2s are 10. Plus into plus, plus. One more example, minus 5 into minus 2. 5 2s are 10. Minus into minus. What we can get? Plus. Here we can see one more example. Plus 5 into minus 2. 5 2s are 10. Plus into minus. What we can get? Minus. One more. Minus 5 into plus 2. 5 2s are 10. Minus into plus, minus. Basic rules of multiplication of algebraic expressions. If a is a variable and m comma n are positive integers, then a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. The same formula you have in exponents and powers. For example, p power 6 into p power 4. According to the formula, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Here both the bases are equal, so exponents are added. Here also in the same way we are going to do it. So what we got? P power 6 plus 4. Then what we can get? P power 10. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. Right? One more. Y power 8 into y power 3. So according to the formula, what we can get? A power m into a power n. If both the bases are equal, then exponents are added. So here also in the same way we can get is equals to y power 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 how much? Y power 11. Right? Multiplication of monomial. The first step you are going to say, multiply the numerical coefficients together. Multiply the algebraic factors. Factors in the sense variables. Separately. Now rules we are going to see. Product of two monomials is equals to what we can get? Product of their numerical coefficients into product of their variable parts. Multiplication of monomials. We are going to see some examples here. Multiply the following. First one is 8p and 3q. Second one 5a, 3b and 6c. Now we are going to solve the first one, that is 8p into 3q. Right. Here what are the constant terms we have? 8 and 3. So 8 into 3 into p into q. 8 3s are how much? Right. 8 3s are how much? 24. P into q can be written as a pq. Okay. Now we are going for the 24 into pq can also written as a 24 pq. Now we are going to second one, that is 5a into 3b into 6c is equals to what we are going to do? What are the constant terms are there? Right, that is 5 into 3 into 6. Now what are the variables we have? Right, that is a into b into c. Once you can multiply these constant terms, what you can get? 5 into 3 into 6. What we can get? Right, that is nothing but 90 into a, b, c. Right, what is the result now? 90 a, b, c. Okay. Multiplication of monomials. We are going to see some examples. Multiply the following. The first option 4a into 2a cube. Second option is 8p power 5 and minus 7p power 2. Right? Now we are going to solve the first one, that is 4a into 2a cube. 4a into 2a cube is equals to what we can get? Right, 4 into 2. The two constant terms you take. What are the next? Right, that is variables. A into a power 3. So 4 2s are how much? Right, 4 2s are 8. And here both the bases are equal, then exponents are added. Means what we can get? A power 1 plus 3. So 8 a power 4, because 1 plus 3 how much? 4. Right? Now next option, that is 8 p power 5 into minus 7 p power 2 is equals to what are the constant terms you have? Right, what are the constant terms? 8 into minus 7. Next, what are the variables we have? Right, good. P power 5 into p power 2. Now once multiply the constant terms, that is 8 into minus 7. What we can get? Right, minus 56 into, here we can see p power 5 into p power 2. It is in our formula, that is a power m into a power n. That is nothing but a power m plus n. Means what we can get? P power 5 plus 2. Right, minus 56 p power 7. Note, if both the terms means monomials have same sign, the sign of the product is always positive. Example, 5a into 4b is equals to 5 4s are 20. A into b can be written as a ab, right? Next one, minus 5a into minus 4b is equals to, take the constant terms first, minus 5 into minus 4, 5 4s are 20, minus into minus plus, a into b can be written as a ab. So what we can get? 20 ab. Now the second one, if both the terms monomials have opposite signs, the sign of the product is always negative. We are going to see some examples. Minus 5 into 4b is equals to 5 4s are 20, minus into plus minus, a into b ab. So what we can get the result? Minus 20 ab. Second example, minus 5a into minus 4b, 5 4s are 20, minus into minus plus, a into b can be written as a ab, means what we can get? 20 ab, right? Note, add the like terms by adding the coefficients. For example, a plus a is equals to 1a plus 1a is equals to 2a. Multiply the like terms by adding the exponents. We are going to see some examples. A into a is equals to a power 1 into a power 1. It is in the form of a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Means a power 1 plus 1. What we can get? Right, a power 2. Multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. Steps. Write the given polynomial inside the bracket and the monomial outside it. Now next step, multiply the monomial with each term of the polynomial and simplify. Some rules I am going to say. Multiply each term of the polynomial by the polynomial using the distributive law. A into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. This is the main important formula in this. Multiplication of a polynomial by a polynomial. Here we are going to take some examples. Multiply the following. First option is 2a plus b minus a and 4a. Second example is minus 2p square and 6p plus 2q minus 3r. Now I am going to solve the first one, that is 2a plus b minus 8 into 4a. So first what we are going to take? 4a into 2a is equals to, we are going to write that 4a into 2a, right? Next 4a into b. So what is the symbol we can get here? Right, plus 4a into b. Now what is the next one? 4a into minus 8. So what we can write? right? Minus 4a into 8. Now you can see here 4a into 2a. What are the constant terms? Right, 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8. So we are going to solve it. 4 2s are 8. A power 1, a power 1 means a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So a power 1 plus 1, 2. It can be written as a power 2. Next one. 4 into ab minus 4 8s are 32a. Right? Now we are going to see the second option, that is minus 2p square into 6p plus 2q minus 3r. Now we are going to see the first one, minus 2p square into 6p. We are going to do it, right? Minus 2p square into 6p, right? Second one is minus 2p square into 2q. Here we have a symbol plus, so that's why written here. The next one is, right, minus of minus 2p square into 3r. Here we can see the constant terms, that is 6 and 2. So 6 2s are 12, right? Minus 12 p power 2 p power 1. It is in our formula, that is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n, means p power 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, means p power 3. Next, plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4 p square q, minus into minus, right, plus 2 3s are 6 p square r. Multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. Step 1. Multiply each term of one binomial by each term of another binomial. Simplify adding or subtracting the like terms. Multiplication of a polynomial by a polynomial. Example, multiply the following. First option, a plus 2 and a minus 3. Second option, p plus 2q and 3p minus q. First one I am going to solve. A plus 2 into a minus 3. Right. So what we can write? A into a, it can be written as a square. The next one is a into 3. It can be written as a minus 3a. Next, 2 into a. It can be written as a plus 2a. Next, yes, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Minus 6. Still, is there any simplification? Yes. Here you can see these two are two like terms, right? Minus 3a plus 2a. Simplify it. What you are going to get? A square. What we can get? Minus 3a plus 2a. Right. Minus a. Next one is minus 6. Very good. A square minus a minus 6. Multiplication of a polynomial by a polynomial. The second option we are going to do p plus 2q into 3p minus q. Right. What is the first one? P 3p. So what we can get? Yes, p into 3p. What is the next one? P, Q. And the symbol is what we can get? P, Q. What the symbol we can get? Right, minus P into Q. Now what is the next one? 2Q, 3P. What the symbol you can get? Right, plus 2Q into 3P. The next one is 2Q minus Q. What we can get? The symbol? Right, minus 2Q into Q. Here we can see that both the p's are equal. Right, and the coefficient of p is 1. So 1 into 3, what we can get? 3. Right, what we can see? 3 p power 1, p power 1. It's nothing but p power 2. Here p, q can be written as a p into q can be written as a pq plus, see here the constant terms you can multiply first. 2 3 0, 6, and two different variables, that is pq. The next one is minus 2 q power 1, q power 1. So what we can write? Q square. Good. The next one, 3p square we can get added as it is. Here we can see that minus pq plus 6pq. Here the variables are same, means like terms. So what we can get? Right, what we can get? Yes, plus 5pq. See, in these two, what is the highest constant term? 6. So what is the symbol for 6? Plus. So that's why we got here plus. Next one is minus 2q square. It can be written as a 3p square plus 5pq minus 2q square. Multiplication of a polynomial by a polynomial. We are going to do the step 1. The step 1 is multiply each term of one polynomial by each term of another polynomial. Step 2. Simplify, add or subtract the like terms. Multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. We are going to do some examples. Multiply a plus b and 3a minus 5b plus c. Now we are going to solve that. A plus b into 3a minus 5b plus c. The first one, a, 3a. A into 3a. What is the next one? Right. Minus a into 5b. Right. What is the next one? Very good. Plus a into c. Right. Very good. Now we are going for second term, that is b. B into the first term of the next step. What we can get? B into 3a. Next. Very good. Minus b into 5b. At last b into c. Plus b into c. Now we are going to simplify. 3 the constant term as it is. Here a power 1, here also a power 1. So what we can get? A power 2. The next one is minus 5. Here both are different variables, so that's why we got same. The next one also both are same variables, are different variables. Right, different variables. So a, c. Next one is also same. Plus 3 AB. Next, here both are same variables. So what we can get? 5b power 2. Very good. Last, plus B and C are two different variables. So that's why you got BC. Now here we can see 3a square minus 5b square minus 5ab plus 3ab plus AC plus BC. Here we can see minus 5ab plus 3ab are the like terms. Now we are going to simplify. What we can get? 3a square minus 5b square minus, right, minus 2ab, because when we simplified minus 5ab plus 3ab, we got minus 2ab plus AC plus BC. Good.
Multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial.
We are going to see some example. Simplify the expression x into x minus 3 plus 2 and evaluate it for x is equals to 1. Now we are going to solve x into x minus 3 plus 2. Now simplify the equation. X into x can be written as a, next one, x into 3, that can be written as a minus x into 3, at last plus 2, x into x, x power 1, x power 1, what we can get? Right, x square minus x into 3, it can be written as a minus 3x plus 2. Right, very good. Now he said that x is equals to 1. We are going to substitute in the equation. What is the equation? X square minus 3x plus 2. What is the value of x he gave? 1. So 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square in the sense, what we can get? 1 into 1. Right, 1. 3 into 1. 3 plus 2. Now what we can get? Yes. According to the board mass, first we have to add the positive terms. 2 plus 1. How much? 3. 3 minus 3. What we can get? 0. Multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. Example, add 4p into 3p square plus 5p minus 7 and 2 into p cube minus 4p square plus 5. Now we are going to solve. He said to add in the question 4p into 3p square plus 5p minus 7. He said to add the two terms, so that's why we are going to add plus 2 into p cube minus 4p square plus 5. Now the first one is 4p into 3p square. Right? 4 3s are 12, p power 1, p power 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So we got p power 3. The next one is 4p into 5p. 4 5s are how much? Right, 20, p power 1, p power 1. So p power 1 plus 1, p power 2. Next one is p power 4p minus 7. So first multiply the constant terms. What we can get? Minus 28p. Right, we are going for the next term. That is 2 into p cube plus 2 into p cube. Next 2 into 4p square. First multiply the constant terms. What we can get? 4 2s are 8 minus 8 p square. Next 2 into 5. What we can get? 5 2s are 10. Now next, 12p cube plus 2p cube plus 20p square minus 8p power 2 minus 28p plus 10. So we arrange in the order. Here we can see 12p plus 2p. 12 plus 2, how much? 14p cube plus 20p square minus 8p square. Right, what we can get? 20 minus 8. 12p square minus 28p plus
8.
Multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. We are going to see some examples. Subtract 3a into a minus 4b plus 5c from 4a into 10a minus 3b plus 2c. Now we are going to solve. 4a into 10a minus 3b plus 2c minus 3a into a minus 4b plus 5c. Now we are going to solve 4a into 10a. First multiply the constant terms. 4 tens are 40. A into a power 1, a power 1. It can be written as a power 2. Right? The next one is 4a into 3b. It can be written as a minus 4 3s are 12ab. What is the next one? 4a into 2c. 4 2s are 8 ac. Right? Next one. 3a into a. It can be written as a minus 3 a power 2 because a power 1 into a power 1. It can be written as a power 2. Right? What is the next one? 3a into 4b. Minus into minus, what we can get? Plus 4 3s are 12ab. Next, 3a into 5c. What are the constant terms? 3 and 5. Multiply the constant terms first. What we can get? 5 3s are 15. Minus 15 ac. Right? Next, 4a square minus 3a square minus 12ab plus 12ab plus 8ac minus 15ac. So here what we can get? 40a square minus 3a square. 40 minus 3, 37a square. Here we can see minus 12ab plus 12ab. Both are same, so we can get cancelled. Plus 8ac minus 15ac. 8 minus 15, what we can get? Right, the negative term, that is minus 7ac.